What's up everyone? So today we're putting tires on Envy and we're gonna see if Alana knows how to put on a tire. I was waiting for you to be like, F off.
I know how to put on a tire!
This should be good.
Just think, pink and green, it looks kind of cool together.
Bro.
That looks good together. It looks like a watermelon.
A watermelon?
Watermelon pie. So right before I took these tires off, I noticed one had a leak. So I'm gonna find the Nile.
Nope.
Try again.
So right before I I noticed one had a leak, so we're going to fix that today. We already found the nail, it's right here. And we have the tire repair kit we're going to use to repair it.
Whoa. Don't hurt yourself, big boy.
Okay. I need to take a minute.
Yeah, I know. So Miss Mandy.
Oh, Miss Mandy.
You're gonna take whichever tool you want and you're gonna try to pull that out.
I need a different tool.
Yeah. Don't launch at the camera lens. Hey, here's needle nose if you need them. It might work better than you just about stabbed the camera.
Take it.
Oh, I'm supposed to take that. I was wondering why you were waving that at me.
Yeah, the tool just wants to say hi.
I know that stuff. Oh, she's going for it. You just oh, I thought you snapped those things right in half. Like, damn, you're violent.
Give me those other ones.
Oh, okay, gotcha. There you go.
It's a surgery, man.
Yeah. Tire surgeon over here. Oh my god. Oh my.
Got it.
Oh, nice. Good stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna lose that hole now.
No, it's right there. Okay, do not look away from it. Okay, I'm gonna grab some.
Okay, go, run.
Oh, the dust that flew up. Now you get to mark it. Wait. Hey. Bro.
Marked it.
I wanted to do that in slow-mo. You shit.
I try so
You're
hard.
here trying to get slow-mo content.
I've gone slow-mo all day. I didn't want to do it.
What was it?
No.
Do it again. Come on.
My life be like, ooh, ah.
Okay, now what I need you to do, ma'am, is I need you to take that canister and open it. And just on the center, you're not going to get the tip wet, but just the center.
Don't get the tip wet.
Don't get the tip wet.
That's what she said.
Ow! How?
Oh, come on, you're strong, girl.
No, this is sealed. I can't open it. I can't.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to.
No, that's perfect. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, and you're gonna just rip it out. But give it a sec. So in case you guys don't know exactly what just kind of went down, is we used one of the standard tire plugs, but then we used vulcanizing. I forgot the word as I was reading. We used some of the vulcanizing cement just to kind of like promote adhesion and allow it to actually like bond to the rubber tire. As long as we did this right, we should never have to replace this tire because it should be fine. I've done this before tons of times. How Canadian are you, bud?
Oh, let's go get some poutine and some Jimmy's, bud.
Oh my god. That was like actual gold. Okay, so now you're gonna rip it out. And you have to be really fast, really hard.
2, 3. Yes!
You see that shit? How sick is that? You just fixed the tire.
I just fixed the tire.
So now we gotta basically cut these guys off, and I know exactly how we're gonna do it. So you're gonna enjoy this one.
Oh my god.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Using my machete.
How's it going?
Pretty good. I'm enjoying myself. Bam.
Bam, bam.
Machete, tire shop approved. So now that that one tires repaired and everything like that, we're able to finally swap everything over. So I already got Alana to go around and just kind of like lay out all the tires just right where they need to be according to the tread depth. So we're just gonna kind of fly around and get this all done. It's starting to get a little bit darker, so we might as well just finish up.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you.
Kid Miss Manzi, what do you think?
I miss them so much. I know it's still winter outside. Winter. Early spring. But I couldn't wait any longer. They make the car complete, and it's not. I'm not happy with it without the rims. Ta-da!
How sick does that look? I figured I'd close out the video now, but I want to ask you guys to leave your comments down below about what you guys thought about all the slow motion shots and stuff like that. Also, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. You don't have to, but I would appreciate it. Also, a like would make a huge difference because it promotes my channel and stuff like that. So I can hopefully one day afford to do more things with this bike, this car, this car, that car. Oh, man, I have too many projects, but I wouldn't change it for the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video regardless. Let me know what you think of the pink rims. I hope you guys have a good one.
So now, it's really annoying.
This is the kind of things we do for good B-roll. This is sketch. This could be really good though. I think this might work.
Standing on tires.
Okay, pass the camera.